Are you still maintaining organizational levels manually? In most authorization concepts, master roles and derived roles are essential to ensure proper organizational access. However, maintaining these roles often requires significant ongoing effort. Every change made to a master role must also be replicated across all corresponding derived roles, resulting in high maintenance workload, increased complexity, and a greater risk of inconsistencies over time. Our authorization tool, Xiting Authorizations Management Suite, or XAMS, streamlines this process by structuring all required organizational levels into so-called Orgsets. These sets enable you to adapt large numbers of derived roles simultaneously with a single action. But what exactly is an Orgset? An Orgset represents an organizational unit within your company, such as a branch or department. It consolidates all relevant organizational levels into one centralized entity, ensuring simple and efficient maintenance. Once created, an Orgset can be mass replicated across all relevant roles, allowing you to create or update large numbers of derived roles with just a few clicks. Let's take a look at how this works in the system. After defining a name, description, and long text for a new Orgset, you can add organizational fields such as company code or plant, along with their corresponding values relevant for your business. In addition, non-organizational values can be included as well. This can be particularly useful if your authorization concept requires you to connect your organizational structure to cost center access. If master data changes occur, such as updates to company codes or plants, you can easily modify or extend the affected Orgset entries at any time, ensuring your authorization structure and your derived roles remain accurate and up to date. To further improve structure and transparency, you can create Orgset groups, helping you organize and manage Orgsets more effectively. You can also leverage the Organizational Structure Wizard. This wizard extracts existing customized organizational values directly from your SAP system, assisting you in building Orgsets based on real, system-specific customizing data. This ensures consistency between your authorization concept and your SAP organizational structure while significantly reducing manual effort. Role Replicator further enhances efficiency by offering the ability to mass create or mass modify Orgsets, as well as the mass assignment to Orgset groups using Excel uploads. For example, you can download existing organizational field values, apply the required changes in Excel, and then re-upload the file to adapt the changes in the system. This approach allows you to implement large-scale organizational changes quickly and reliably, with just a few clicks. In summary, Orgsets provide a powerful and flexible way to represent your organizational structure. By combining centralized maintenance with mass processing capabilities in Role Replicator, Orgsets significantly simplify the creation and maintenance of derived roles, a topic we will explore in more detail in a future session. As your organization evolves, Orgsets enable you to adapt quickly while maintaining an accurate and consistent reflection of your company's hierarchy. Would you like to find out more about Orgsets and how to use them for mass derivation? Check out our video channel on our homepage or feel free to contact us. We will get back to you as soon as possible.